The star of this penthouse obviously is the terrace that you have here. There's ample space of putting a dining table. A good afternoon and welcome to another episode of A Day in the Life of a Real Estate Agent in Bangkok. I'm on my way to visit a very nice penthouse unit in a building called Hansar. It's the brown building over here, and I'm gonna go to the 31st floor and I'm gonna film a very nice unit there with a big balcony. You all know me as Global Travel Mate, but I think the majority of you also know that I have a real estate company. By the way, this is a construction that's going on from Center Point, but that's another story for another day. I'm on my bicycle. You know, when I visit units, I mostly travel around on bicycle, and this is to be more flexible in traffic. Bangkok is not an easy city to get around with a car. So with the bicycle I can cover a lot of ground. Here you have the Ratchadamri BTS station, and we are going into Soi Mahatlak Luang Song on our way to visit one of these top floors there. There's a nice terrace. I'm always happy to film a new building. Anyway, let's go and have a look. Let's get the key and see how the unit looks on the inside. So today I'm going to show you the sub penthouse here on the 31st floor. So I'm here at the unit that I want to show you, and this is a semi-penthouse here at the Hansar. As you can see, I am sweating. It's hot. We're in the middle of the hot season, and I'm not going to say it's getting too much, because when you live in Bangkok you can never complain about the hot weather. I mean, I actually love it when it's really hot, but today it's around 40 degrees. I think it's about 100 Fahrenheit. But look at this. So you have the penthouses that are all the way on top, and because of this terrace, this is a semi-penthouse. It only has 2 bedrooms, and it basically covers half of the floor space. But for example, this floor here is all about the living room. Nice views here of the Royal Bangkok Sports Club. You see the train coming through here. The station is right around the corner. This building in front here, this is the St. Regis, which is probably the most expensive service apartment building here in the city. Here you have the kitchen, fully equipped. let me show you the bedrooms. There are 2 private elevators. Here is one. And when you get out of the elevator, this is your view. So it's actually two bedroom apartments that have been put together into one. This master bedroom here, you have a private balcony as well. Yeah, you might have noticed in the beginning of the video that I came here on my bicycle. The reason why I go with the bicycle is because it gives me the opportunity to be more flexible regarding traffic. And because I'm only filming the units, I don't have to meet with customers now. So I don't have to look pretty. Nice bathtub here. Regarding the price and the size, we're still talking with the owner. So I will leave that in the description. I'm pretty sure I will know it tonight, but at the moment I have no idea. So here we're looking in the direction of Central World. There you have the Magnolias Ratchadamri. Yeah, just great views of the whole area. This door keeps slamming shut because of the airflow. If you open the windows here, you have a nice stream of fresh air that goes through the unit. This is the media room and the second bedroom. Okay. The star of this penthouse obviously is the terrace that you have here. There's ample space of putting a dining table and just enjoy yourself. So the sun is setting in that direction over there. So you have the sun all day. To give you a bit of an orientation where we are, this is the Langsuan Street area here in front. You have Lumpini Park, you can see it below there. There you have the Mahanakan in the back. The Royal Bangkok Sports Club. And Central World in this direction. And Siam Square. So you're very centrally located. You have everything on walking distance. If you're interested in renting this apartment here at the Hansar, feel free to send me an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. If you're interested in more about Bangkok, then you can subscribe to the channel, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.